Good morning, viewers. I'm Ayodele Samuel Jude, your Smart Tutorial founder. Today we'll be looking at trigonometry ratio. Actually, the topic is very simple, but we still discover that so many students fail it. And the reason is just that people find it difficult to identify or understand the lines and the angles in shape. It's not the topic that is difficult for students, but the ability to identify the lines, to read and write the lines and the angles is the first step in understanding trigonometry. Under trigonometry, just like the name implies, from tri, that is three, that is triangle. So we are going to look at the basis. We are not looking at the topic as a whole, but we are going to look at the basis that we help students to understand the topic better, because the understanding of the basis will help in the understanding of the main topic. So just like I said, the understanding of the basis is what students lack, not the topic itself. If you cannot write the line, how do you want to do other calculations there? So in that regard, first we are going to break it down again. We are going to be looking at right angle triangle. We are going to pick a particular triangle there. Under the trigonometric ratio, we are going to be looking at the right angle triangle. What is a right angle? Right angle means angle 90. This is angle 90 here. This is angle 90. This is angle 90. So we are going to first look at how to identify line, how to read and write the lines in the shape. First, what is line? Line is the shortest distance between 2 points in your intro tech in the junior section. Also, what is triangle? Triangle is any shape made up of 3 lines enclosed. They must be closed. If they are not closed, if the 3 lines are not closed, they are not triangle. So, and also in any triangle, the sum of the 3 angles, they are made up of, the sum of the 3 angles is 180 degree. And the triangle is made up of 3 lines, 3 angles. So now let's start with what we actually want to do is the identification of lines. How do you identify the lines? You can say this is line, but that is, you are able to identify this is the line, this is another line, this is another line. But how do you write it down? You must be able to identify, read and write. We're looking at the first triangle, which is, it has this line. It has this line is line A, and line, this is line AB. This line now is what? AB. It has another line. This is AC, line AC. And this is another line, line BC. Are we together? That is line AB, line AC, this line BC. This line have its name, this line have its name, this line have its name. Now let me tell you, this line AB, this is how to write it. This is line, that is, you use slant, you use stroke to represent line AB. This line AB, this line is line AB. This line AB is also, you can also use another method to write the line AB. That is, you can write the line as what? AB, then you put stroke at the top and at the bottom. Another method of writing this same line AB, this line AB is still the same thing. If you look at the AB is facing capital letter C. That means if this is capital letter C, this place facing the C is small letter C. That is, line AB is still the same thing as what? Small letter C. That is, line AB is still the same thing as what? Small letter C. Small letter C, please. Are we together now? That is how to write this particular line. So in a question, they can write this line with different sign, different symbol. That is, a slant, the alphabet, and a slant. That is, this is line AB, line AB. This small letter C simply means line AB. Then let's look at the other one. This is AC. This is AC. That is, line AC is still the same thing as what? Line AC. Line AC, you can write it in another method as this. Then the line AC is facing what? B. So that means line AC is the same thing as small letter B. So that is, if they don't want to call it line AC, they can call it what? Small letter B. But remember, small letter B is different from capital letter B. Also, the other one is BC. BC. That is, line BC is still the same thing as what? Line BC in this form. And the line BC is facing capital letter A. So capital letter A, this is small letter A. So is that taken? So this triangle is still the same thing as B, C, and no, this is B, C, and small letter A. So this line is what? Line B. This line is line C. This line is line A. Now, let me quickly chip in something. This A is at this edge. That is, inside this place, that is where the A is located. But this place is too small to write this capital letter A. That is why it is written outside. So this angle here is capital letter, is angle A. We are still going to look at how to identify read and write lines also. Angles. This place is capital letter C, is angle C. And this place is angle B. So this capital letter B is angle B, but you cannot write it here, it's too small. So that is why it is written outside. So this is the correct way of writing lines in shape. So I believe you can use this question Roman figure 2 and the Roman figure 3 to practice at your own leisure time. So again, how to identify and read and understand lines is very vital in solving shape. Good day, have a wonderful weekend. I'm still your smart tutorial master, Samuel Dino Ayodele. You can always contact us if you want to know better under trigonometry. We are just giving out the basics so that it can help you in your various schools, at home, in your exam. So good to have you again.